We are going to discuss an interesting story in this lesson. The name of the story is Jaldi's Gift. Here we come to know the chapter is related to the pub belong to the Indian Perai, and now we will be studying about Jaldi. So Jaldi is the main character in this lesson. Jaldi was a pub. This is basically indicating about this idea of individual gift that we have. Okay, that means unique qualities that we have for us. Now, how Jaldi discovers its quality. Okay, so everyone is unique children. So every person is born with a gift. We have just found out what ours is. Here, Jaldi is also going to find its quality, unique quality in this lesson. Okay, now let us discuss this lesson. In this lesson, the first paragraph is started with the usual behavior of pug in the paragraph. Okay, so it is enjoying himself here. For that, his nose giving him a sneeze. When the pup was rolling here and there, it was opening its eyes and it looked straight into the eyes of his important visitors. When they came, father was too there, though it was so early. He gave him encouraging look, and mothers always telling them to mind their manners. So, children, you can quite relate it to this, can't you? Whenever you have visitors expecting some other important guest at your place, usually you got this kind of instructions from your parent to be the best behavior. Am I right, children? So, like that, Jaldi and all other siblings were formed to be other behavior, and they were quite prepared for that. Some important visitors are there. When Jaldi opened his eyes, even his father was also there. His father gave him an encouraging look, and mother is always telling them to mind their manners. For this Jaldi was feeling very sad at having disgraced. And the visitor pointed her long aristocratic nose. Sometimes dogs cock one ear, which means they grace the particular situation and understand something. Am I right? So the visitors seem to be quite knowledgeable in light in having the sense of nobility about himself here. Over here, we see that just like Jaldi had a kind of falling down, similarly, Mastiff followed in his usual auntie. And he also slighted down and again surprised like Jaldi over here. The visitors nodded graciously at him and mother if there were any more pup. And then father replied that they will have two more pups named Yogi and Slow. Okay. And father called out gruffly and he placed the risk politely within reach of the visitor's pass. Slow's asleep, he announced. So finally, we have discovered that one of the siblings is sleeping and one of the pups' name is Slow is sleeping. The visitors asked the questions that, what can you sense? This is the very prominence among the dogs. He wanted to know their special gift by asking this question, and this game was already played by her mother of the pups. And the mother used to keep doing this in trying them. So the visitors seemed to think it was important to answer Right. Seeing the situation has been presented them, now they need to promptly give the answer. Okay, so it's suspected might be education. And here, children, shut your eyes, it helps. Our visitors said kindly there, and mother watched expectantly. And father had gone outside the shed where he was pacing about impatiently. Okay, so the frontiers mail has entered the city, Musty said, and it can hear it's about 10 miles away from here, and he can hear a alarm go at the crossing as the gates shut. So it can hear a man with a bag leg crossing the road near the bakery. Jaldi, on the other hand, heard a sense girl who was in danger, who was feeling alone, so feeling fear and all that. So he led the parents in the visitors to try and save them. So they reached and they tried to find the girl's mother who was revenging for garbage in dump, and they found it. Now Jaldi's father, who is trying to get the woman's attention. But the woman was getting angry. Now, this woman started throwing a stone at the Jaldi and his father and all other puppies. And but what happened is that the father was very sensible. He said, "Don't be angry. You won't able to try clearly if you lose your temper." So Jaldi got the end of the woman's sari and tagging and pulling the woman. That, "Come, come, your daughter is in danger. Come with us." So it was trying to say like that. Now the father was barking and begging away from her all the time. We managed to get her to follow us. Now what happened is that the father started barking, so the woman started following that. The father like what happened. And by this trick, the woman near their child. So she broke into the run when she got sight of their baby and snatched her up harshly, angrily, shooing off Yogi and Masti. Shoo, shoo, go away, not its woman. She thought that are dogs, they are trying to harm the child. So, the beautiful children, here Jaldi's parents said to their kids that every pup is born with a gift. We just found out what yours is. Okay, so the parents said Jaldi that she has to discover a gift for herself. This beautiful story is from the book from Jaldi's friend, and it is taken from that. So the moral of the story is every person is born with a gift. We have just found out what ours is. Okay.